Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you so much to moderator give me a time for presentation about my article. The title is Accuracy Rate of ENN Backpropagation Architecture with Modified Algorithm Meta-Analysis. Introduce, my name is Sarudin and my team Fatmawati and Heri Suprajitno. We from Department of Mathematics, Faculty of Science and Technology, Universitas Erlangga. We have some reason why we do this research. The first, artificial neural network, especially backpropagation, have been widely used in the forest field for forecasting time series data. And the second, many researchers do research such as data prediction of earthquake magnitude or seismic electric signal, suspended sediment, rainfall, stock market, human development index, and carbon price, etc. And then some researchers made algorithm modification by combining the backpropagation algorithm with the other method in the field of forecasting, such as genetic algorithm backpropagation, modification based on momentum, Quasi-Newton, Liebenberg-Marquardt, and conjugate gradient descent, time-like recurrent neural network, wavelet neural network, backpropagation moving average, SVM, and RBF, and multi-neural network with multi-value neuron, and enhanced backpropagation neural network. And then the last, so far there has been no follow-up analysis of how much accuracy from backpropagation, especially the comparison of modified algorithm with unmodified algorithm. This need to be done to find and show about the development of backpropagation algorithm modification with the other method, as well as from the point of view of backpropagation algorithm parameters such as learning rate, momentum, and activation function. And this is a method in this research. This study is a meta-analysis. Meta-analysis is an activity of collecting, forecasting, and presenting data with statistical technique that combine two or more similar studies, so that the number of data are obtained from further analysis systemically and objectively to solve a problem. And this is a step we do this research. The first, we browse article from Scopus, ScienceDirect, Duhaji, and Google Scholar, and then we select and sorting data according to inclusion and exclusion criteria, and then we tabulate of data, namely year of publication, author, predicted data, country, type of BP method, and its modification, and then error value or accuracy, and then perform calculation of error value to the level of accuracy and normalization of data. And the last, data simulation using JSP software. We calculate effect size and summary effect and etc. Data interpretation and conclusion. And for determine value, effect size and summary effect, we use this formula. ES effect size, this is coefficient correlation, and N is amount of input data. This is a result based on the criteria of eligibility that has been determined obtained quality article as many as 26 article. Some case from China, Cyprus, USA, Iran, India, Malaysia, Japan, Turkey, Brazil, and Indonesia. And this is output JSP software. We use RE model, and you can see from this vector the accuracy rate of peak propagation, all of this case. This is 85%. And then furthermore, the research team divide the data into part, namely peak propagation with modification algorithm and non-modification, so that from the data we obtained 12 article for big propagation with algorithm modification, and 14 article for big propagation non-modification. And this is result. You can see the table 1, fixed and random effect. We from this analysis, from this output from JSP software, we conclusion data is heterogeneous, so that is uses a random effect model. But if data is not heterogeneous, so we must use a fixed model. And then from the table of from coefficient, you can see this is intercept value of 0.853. that is the big propagation architecture has very high level of accuracy. And then this is a rank correlation test. This is value 0.895, bigger than 0.001, meaning there is no publication bias. That is, the amount of data you set in the study already meet good standard. And then the last, this is a moderator variable parameter. This is n amount of data from the modified algorithm. We get 12 data, and non-modified we get 14 data. So we have conclusion: the coefficient and the value of rank correlation are higher than unmodified algorithm. In addition, the accuracy rate of the modified big propagation algorithm is also higher when compare the unmodified algorithm, which is 85% at interval of 0.81 until 0.90, and 85% at interval of 0.77 until 0.93 using the RE model. And the last, we have conclusion: artificial neural network big propagation algorithm has been widely modified by researchers to get a high level of accuracy. Data analysis show that the accuracy rate of algorithm modification is higher than that of a algorithm without modification. This is obtained from forest plot output, which show an accuracy rate of 85% at interval 0.81 until 0.90 for modified algorithm, while algorithm non-modified obtained an accuracy rate of 85 at the interval 0.77 until 0.93. In addition, the average coefficient correlation for modified and big propagation algorithm is 0.58% higher when compared to non-modified algorithm. Okay, maybe that's all. Thank you so much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.